How the devil are you? So for those of you who watched my last video, I bought this Marantz CD6007. It's been, well reviewed, and people have said how good it is and things like that. If you want to see that review, I'll put it up in the corner here. Now, what I wanted to know was, is it as good as a Blu-ray player, a good 4K UHD Blu-ray player? Now, I've seen a video where this guy used a crappy old DVD player as a CD transport, and he said that the CD player sounded far better than the DVD player. But will it be the same if you put it against a decent 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray player? Now, this is the Sony UPB X700. Okay, it doesn't have its own DAC. So what it does, it uses the DAC in the amplifier. Now, obviously, the CD has its own DAC, and the CD in this Marantz, what am I talking about? The DAC in this CD, the DAC in this CD is the same DAC they use in the amp. So it gives you a fair comparison, doesn't it? Okay. Now, this is using the amp's DAC. The CD is using its own DAC, so I'm going to put it through the RCA, and I'm going to see if there's any difference between this CD player and this Blu-ray player. Now, the Blu-ray player actually has more of it from the obvious where it can play 4K Blu-ray. It has just as much as the CD player, except the headphone socket. But on the plus side, though, this can play SACDs as well. The Marantz CD player can't play SACDs. So what I want to do now is just give a sound comparison between the two. Okay, using this as a transport through the amp, and then the CD player's dedicated DAC through the amp, to see if they sound any different. Have a listen to this. what did you think? And please, if you've listened to this comparison on a pair of crappy computer speakers, right, stop it. Put a pair of decent headphones on, and then you'll get the comparison far better than listening to some crappy speakers, okay, or on your phone speaker. Stop it. Anyway, but personally, I couldn't hear any difference between the two. Nothing, zip, nout, nada. And it makes me think, do I want to keep this? Why would I want to keep this over that? This can do more than the CD player. The only thing that would make me want to keep it is aesthetics. It looks far better in my hi-fi system than this Blu-ray player does. This Blu-ray player's little diddy and small. It's a little bit out of place in my hi-fi system. So that's the only reason I keep it. Don't get me wrong, the Marantz CD player is a good CD player, but so is this. So is this 4K Blu-ray. It's fantastic. And like I said, you know, the 4K Blu-ray player has Netflix, has Amazon Prime, BBC iPlayer, YouTube. So yeah, there's a lot more in it than this. They both play high-res files through the USB. So this can play DSD files through the USB, but it can't play SACD when you play it inside. So, and the other plus side for the CD player is I can work both my Marantz amp and my CD player off one amp, what am I talking about? It's late. Off one remote control. So it's one less remote control I've got to worry about. But apart from that, I don't see the reason why you would want to buy this over this when this is £200 cheaper. You can pick these up now for around about, I've seen them going for about 180, 190 in some sales, but they're normally around the £200 mark. This is normally, this is around the £399 mark, 400 quid. So, you know, I was actually a bit disappointed. I was expecting the Marantz CD player to sound superior, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Did you think it sounded better or not? I don't know. You tell me. Anyway, if you liked the video, like. If you didn't like it, don't like. Subscribe, don't subscribe, whatever. Ring the bell, don't ring the bell. Bah. Okay, I'll catch you in the next video.